Welcome again. We are solving mathematics paper of year 2024 of NDA NA1 exam. Question number 93 and 94 has common statement. So for question number 93 and 94, consider the following for the next two items that follow. Let fx is equal to modulus x minus 1 and gx is equal to bracket within bracket large bracket x, and hx is equal to fx gx, where large bracket is greatest integer function. Question number 93 based on this is, what is limit minus 1 to 0 hx dx equal to? Option A minus 3 by 2, option B minus 1, option C 0, option D 1 by 2. And question number 94 is also based on this. What is uh, integration limit 2 to 0 hx dx equal to? Option A minus 3 by 2, option B minus 1, option C 0, and option D 1 by 2. So here, first of all, taking question number 93. So in 93 we have to find out the integral limit minus 1 to 0 hx dx, and hx is fx into gx, and within this limit minus 1 to 0 the greatest integer function gx is will be equal to minus 1, because x is varying from minus 1 to 0. Okay, so x can be equal to or greater than minus 1, but it is less than 0, so it is, so greatest integer function is your minus 1. So now this equation can be written as modulus x minus 1 into minus 1, or we can say it is minus 1, as it is negative. If we put x equal to minus 1, so we will change the sign here, which will make it positive, because we have to take modulus, so it will be 1 minus x. X minus 1 modulus will be equal to 1 minus x. So now we can put this expression here and integrate it. So it will be your, this minus will same sign here, x minus 1 integration limit minus 1 to 0 dx, so it will be x square by 2 minus x limit 0 to minus 1. So we put 0 here both, so it will be 0, and this will be a minus 1. If we put x equal to minus 1, it will be 1 by 2, and this is 1, so it will be minus 3 by 2. So answer is option A for question number 93. Now for question number 94, we have to find out hx dx limit 0 to 2. So this can be written as limit 0 to 1 hx dx plus limit 1 to 2 hx dx. So now we can put the expression for hx, that is fx into gx. So that is x minus 1 within bracket x or greater than function x dx, and this will be a x minus 1 modulus greater integer function x dx. Okay. So now here between limits of 0 to 1, the greatest integer is 0. So this expression, so this value is 0. So this will become 0, and here the greatest integer is your 1. So it will be 1. Okay, now this term has been 0, has been made 0, and this term we can take and integrate, because this x minus 1 will be positive if we put value of x as 2 and 1. So now we can write it as x minus 1. We can omit this modulus. This will be x minus 1 dx, and limit 1 to 2. So that will be equal to x square by 2 minus x limit 2 to 1. If we put the limit here 2 minus, this will be 2 minus 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Okay, so 2, if we first put 2 here, then it will be 4 square by 2, that is 2 minus 2, and if we put here 1, it will be minus 1 by 2, and this will be a plus 1. So answer is 1 by 2. Answer is option D. Answer is ऑप्शन बी।